Welcome to Halacha for Children. Now that we've learned that we place the hand tefillin on the lower half of our left bicep, in today's first halacha we learn that we should then take the strap of the hand tefillin and wrap it 2 more times around the ma'avarta, around the passageway of the tefillin. As we've learned previously, the ma'avarta is the part of the tefillin that's closest to our shoulders. And when we wrap it 2 more times, that forms the letter Shin. We then continue to wrap the tefillin 7 more times on our arm. The Rebbe Rashab wrote that when we wrap the tefillin on our arm, we should wrap it once, leave a space, then we wrap it another 2 times and leave a space, and then we conclude with wrapping it 4 more times. The reason that we wrap our tefillin 7 times on our arm, there are 2 reasons. First of all, it represents the 7 midos, the 7 emotions that every person has. The second reason is that there's a pasuk that speaks about Hashem's hands, Paiseach es yodecha umasbi'a l'chol chayratzin, that Hashem opens up His hands and provides life and sustenance to every living being. That pasuk has 7 words. So corresponding to the 7 words in that pasuk, we wrap the tefillin 7 times on our arm. Once we've finished wrapping it, we then go on to put on the head tefillin. And that brings us to halacha number 2. Regarding the head tefillin, it says in the Torah, that there should be an ornament, a piece of jewelry between our eyes. Now Chazal tell us that we have another mitzvah that uses a similar expression of bein einechem. The Torah says that a yid is not allowed to place a karcha bein einechem lameis. We're not allowed to place a bald spot between our eyes if someone passes away. The goyim, when they used to have someone pass away, to show the pain that they were going through, they would pull out the hairs in their head, causing a bald spot. So the Torah says that a yid is not allowed to do that. So just like in this pasuk, it says bein einechem, between your eyes, doesn't mean the hair that grows literally between your eyes. It refers to the hair that's on the top of your head above your eyes. So too in the mitzvah of tefillin, when it says you should place the tefillin bein einecha, it doesn't mean literally between your eyes, but it means on the hair of your head above your eyes. Where do we place the tefillin on our head? So the front of the tefillin should go on the hairline, and the back of the tefillin is able to extend back to the place where when an infant is born, there's a place on their skull that's soft. So we're able to place the back of the head tefillin up until that place. And once we've finished putting on the head tefillin, we then continue to wrap our hand tefillin, and we wrap it 3 more times on our fingers, on our middle finger, once on the bottom, once on the top, and once again on the bottom.